Coming up, I'm going to show you how to use the import function in our system. You will be able to import your EA information, your staff information which you prepare under your CSV or Excel format, and all the way to bring into the software to save your time to rekey in the data over in the software. So let's get started. Okay, now you come back to the data entry, and this time you go to the utilities. And then you go for the import Excel worksheet. So firstly, in order for you to do the importing, you must get our template in the software. So as you can see from here, firstly you go for the download template. Alright, you can download, these are all the templates available, and for this time we go for the form EA. And this is a template in the system where you will have to meet all your information according to the template sequence. Meaning to say, this is the serial number, this is the name of your employee. For instance, I put another okay, this is the IC. Okay, the tax reference number, and this is a tax category. Okay, and down here the type, you can always refer to the type remark. And for your information, this type remark is according to our prescribed form EA information. Meaning to say, the form B1A is stand for salary, wages, or lease pay, where you just have to key in accordingly. Alright, as for B1B, there will be the fees, commission, or bonus. Likewise, B1C will be gross tip, reward, or other allowance. Okay, for those information which is not available, you can just skip, and for those which is duplicate, you can just delete. Okay, or you can just insert an extra row. All right. So just have to make sure your form EA information has to arrange in such a way. Okay, now we are going to save this file as a CSV format. And before we save, we just have to make sure this file type is deleted. And we go for the file, we go for the save as. We select the desktop, and make sure you always save the file type as CSV, delimited, and you can always browse the file type from here. Okay. Just go for save and go for yes. Okay, this is going to be the CSV format to be imported to the software. Okay, now we go to the software, and again we go to the dashboard menu. We select for the utilities. We select the import Excel worksheet, and now we need to select is the database. This is for the form E, and this is for the form EA, and for which company you wish the information to be imported, and for which YA. Alright, so over in here, just select the CSV format from the desktop. Okay, then we click on the submit. So the import is completed. Now we go back to the form E, to the data entry, and to the client. Form EA. So as you can see, these two are the one that we create under our CSV format. Okay, so we go now for the report. Again, always select your client from the lookup here. Again, this will be the form E. As you can see from here, this will be your perimeter saraan, information of all the clients, including the menu created or the importing from the CSV format, all in order. And next, the EA information. Is also being generated. For subscribe, please click on the link. Please visit our website or our social media. Thanks for watching this video.